Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a quiz using Google Forms. So first go to Safari, type in Google Forms, see the first thing that comes up. Okay, press on the left one here, go to Google Forms, and you see I've already created a bunch of forms, okay? But to create a new one, just go ahead and go to this plus sign in the bottom right hand corner, and boom, it creates a whole new document. And then you can title it whatever you want. Okay. And then the most important thing that we need to do first is go up here in the top right corner to the three dots. Okay. Then go to settings. And you see there's three options. Okay. We want to, one, make sure that you restrict it to Oxford School District. And you can either limit it to one response. I would not, because maybe other people want to take it more than a couple times. Okay, you can go to presentation and write your response. You can change all that, but you need to go to quizzes. Okay, we need to make this a quiz. Okay, we need to make sure we release the grade immediately after each submission so people can see their grade on their quiz. And I would keep all three of those, the respondents can see, I would keep all three of those check marked like that, so then that way students can see, right, what they missed, the correct answer, and how many points they got from the quiz. And then make sure you press the save button in the bottom right hand corner. Okay, so this is the title, so I'm just going to type this quiz. Okay, you can put a description if you want, but here you go. Here are the questions. Okay, to change the type of question, you go right here. Okay, so multiple choice would be right, just like a multiple choice question that we have. Short answer would be they have to type in an answer. Paragraph would be a longer answer. Okay, those are the three that I would keep track of. You can also file upload, where they upload something, but again, I would only be focusing here on multiple choice and the short answer. Those are the two that I would say to choose from. You can maybe even do this drop down where they have to pick different options. Okay, so I'm just going to ask a question. What is manifest destiny? Oops. Okay, there we go, and you type in your options. I'm just going to option 1, option 2, okay, and let's say, okay, here's the most important part, okay, because if you were just to do this, okay, you need to make sure you go to answer key, and you need to pick the answer. Press done, okay, because if you don't do that, then when people go and take the quiz, they could pick any of those options, and it doesn't count them wrong or anything of that. Okay, you can change the point value as well. Okay, when you're here, so point value, I would go ahead and change that, right, 1 point, because it's one answer, just like we do in the quizzes that I make for all of you. Okay, so another important thing that you need to make sure you do is right here, press required. Okay, that means that they have to answer that question. Okay, so there's that first question. Now you want to add another one. Okay, if we go to plus at the bottom, you see it just added another. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a short answer, and they have to type in the correct answer. So, again, I'm going to say, what is manifest destiny? Obviously, you are not typing in the same question more than once, okay? So here we are, right? What is manifest destiny? Again, you need to go to the answer key. Okay, you need to add a correct answer. Okay, so I'm going to add obvious fate. Okay, I'm going to change the point value, 1 point, and done. Okay, press required. There we go. Okay. You can also do response validation where they have to, if you go here, text contains right? Then you type in the text, and you can also do it that way. Okay, but you don't have to, as long as it's the answer key. So now here, okay, so let's say that's our done on our quiz. Obviously, you were doing 10 questions, but if you wanted to see kind of what the quiz looks like already, you can go ahead and go right here to the 3 dots again and preview. And so this is what our quiz looks like, right? And so you see the red stars, that means required. They have to answer that to submit. I cannot submit unless I choose an answer. Okay, so option 1, okay, and then I type in the answer, submit. I can view my score. Oh, I got 2 out of 2. Okay. So that is how you do a quiz using Google Forms. Now you can play around with it, choose a different color, all that sort, okay? To have other people work on it, right, other group members, so it's all on one. You just go right here, add collaborators, and then you type in all your group members' emails. So like if I was to add Coach Gray, I would type in his. If I was to add Miss Barnett, I would type in hers, okay, and boom, they can edit the quiz as well. Okay, so then this way, all the group members can work on the same document and add the questions that they feel the quiz needs. Okay, so you would send. I'm not going to, so it doesn't go to them right now, but you would send. Okay, and then how you share this link. So let's say you're all done. You need to share the link to the Schoology assignment. You go right here. Okay, right here. Okay, the little send button, right? Okay, and you want to go to this link. You just, right here, copy that link, boom, and then all you have to do on the Schoology assignment is go and paste that on there. So real easy, real simple. You just need to make sure that each of those things, like the answer key, the point value, the required, right, making it a quiz, all those settings are set before you get started and while you are making the quiz.